Namaste दोस्तों, today I am here to talk about a very exciting project called La Centra and why it's the best option in the market right now, right? So somebody who's looking for a mid-budget project. So let me talk about the location, why it's called La Centra, because it's so centrally located that we thought the project should be named La Centra. It's 5 minutes from Phoenix, 1 minute from Decathlon, 6 to 7 schools around, 2 new IT parks coming up, Hilton coming up. It's almost Wakad, right? 1 minute from Wakad and right off the highway. So the location doesn't get better than this. That's why we're calling it La Centra. So you're living at the center of all the action in West Pune. And let me talk about the other features of the project and why this is the best buy. जिसका भी बजट अराउंड 62, 63 से 65 के बीच में है एंड जिनको एक्सक्लूसिव लिविंग चाहिए, राइट? आपको बड़े लेआउट में नहीं रहना है, क्योंकि आजकल UDCPR के बाद बड़े लेआउट में डेंसिटी बहुत बढ़ गया है. तो जहाँ पहले 2 एकड़ के प्रोजेक्ट पे सपोज 150 अपार्टमेंट बनते थे, वहीं अभी 300 साढ़े 300 अपार्टमेंट हो गए. So density and maintenance and all these is going to be a challenge and no open spaces at all anyways, right? So this project is unique that way. Plot chota hai, right off the highway, but an exclusive community of only 200 people with its own commercial, that's right. So आप नीचे उतर के जो भी चाहे खरीद सकते हो. You are still 1 minute from Vision One Mall. So you can drive down and walk down in probably 8 to 10 minutes. You can drive in 1 minute. So again, central location, a very exclusive community. Let me talk about the plans now. Design बहुत ही अच्छे से किया हुआ है. So carpet is around 700 square feet, but it feels like 750. The bedroom sizes, if you check, they are comparable to a 750 apartment because there has been zero wastage in the apartment. So designed extremely well. You can go and check the apartment. Don't believe what I am saying and compare a 750 carpet apartment with a 700 at La Centra. It's very beautifully designed. One more very strong reason to buy: the developer, Manav Group and Nagpal Group. Manav has delivered 20 plus projects in and around Pune. Recent delivery are Woods in Wagoli and a couple of projects in Balewadi. Every project has been delivered on time. The developer usually doesn't come from an engineering background. Here the developer himself is a civil engineer. He's foreign educated, so very high focus on quality and engineering. That's why all the projects are delivered extremely well and on time with high quality, right? So आजू बाजू में यहाँ पे आप अगर 2 bedroom similar size का देखो तो वो 70 लाख की रेंज में जाता है, right? Just in and around. So there is a 5 to 6 lakh saving. All the amenities are built on top terrace very beautifully. The fun of having amenities on top terrace is आप terrace restaurants जाते हो क्योंकि views better होता है, हवा fresh होती है. So very curated amenities for a chosen few. The lobbies are very well designed, designer lobbies. Entrance experiences are very good. So anyone who wants a exclusive living in a prime location, this is the project for you. And doesn't want to spend a hell lot of money to live in a very crowded project, I think this makes a lot of sense for you guys. Thank you.